Okay, I have a grocery haul here for you. I still need to go to another store. I'll start in the back. We got some iced tea, some of these protein one bars. My daughter likes to bring these to school for lunch, cereal, snacks for my son, Cheez-Its and pizza goldfish. My daughter needed more shampoo and conditioner because she uses it like it's going out of style. We needed some more ketchup. We needed some more turkey hot dogs, some eggs. I'm making lasagna roll-ups this week, so I got some lasagna. I'm making beef and broccoli lo mein, so that's for that. It was supposed to be regular spaghetti, but I guess the grocery pickup people decided I need thin. My son's ice cream. I only get Friendly's brand because he has a peanut allergy, so this is the brand I trust. His chocolate milk, because Fairlife chocolate milk is the best thing in the world. If you have not tried this, you need to try it. It is so good. I needed some beef broth for another recipe. I'm doing a beef and noodle soup on Monday, which I'm going to record, along with the other two meals I said, the lasagna roll-ups and the beef and broccoli lo mein. I'm going to record those as well. I think I'm recording every meal this week, actually. Pork tenderloin, some mushrooms, some butter. The mushrooms and the bacon is going inside of the pork tenderloin. It's so good. I can't wait for you to see that. This goes with the what's this go with? The lo mein, the beef and broccoli lo mein. We use jasmine rice. For any time we have a meal with rice, this is what we use, so I always just get a lot of it. On Tuesday, it's only going to be me and my son, so I picked up some pizza dough, and some pizza sauce. Thought that'd be a fun little meal to make. And the egg noodles goes with the the beef and noodle soup. That's what that's for. So hopefully that will turn out good. I've never made it before, so we'll see. I have made the pork tenderloin with the bacon and mushroom, and it's delicious. And I have not made the beef and broccoli lo mein, so we'll see if that one's good also. So this is one store. I do Walmart pickup, so I do that on Saturday nights. I do my meal plan, I place my order, and then I pick up on Saturday night, and then on Sunday, if they don't have anything, we go to whatever they don't have, we go to ShopRite for. So I will see you tomorrow with ShopRite's stuff. Okay, here's day 2 food shopping from ShopRite. I got a roast beef to make the steak and noodle soup that I'm recording tomorrow. We got some Sabrett hot dogs because that's what my boyfriend prefers. I got 2 things of chicken breasts with 2 different grill marinades. I've tried the spicy teriyaki one, but the other one I haven't tried yet. I figured I could make that for lunches for myself. We got some chips to go with dip or guilty pleasure. We needed some spinach for some spinach salads. We got some ricotta cheese for the lasagna roll-ups. Some low sodium ham for my daughter's lunches. My son buys lunch. He doesn't like me making them. We needed some bread and some hot dog rolls. We were grilling. It's like 50 degrees out today, so we're grilling for lunch. I got some mozzarella cheese. We're making pizza this week, and the lasagna roll-ups, and the Parmesan cheese is for the lasagna roll-ups as well. We got some bananas. We always get organic bananas because the other ones take forever to ripen, I think. And we got some bags of steamable broccoli. Again, for my lunches and for a recipe that I'm making this week. I got a 4-pack of Velveeta. I usually get it at BJ's because it's cheaper, but we were out and that's like my son's go-to thing if he wants like a snack after school. I got a can of sauce for the lasagna roll-ups because I don't like making my own, and that's it. I'm going to show you guys kind of what I do after I go grocery shopping every week, putting my groceries away, taking old stuff out of the fridge, cutting up strawberries or fruit. I didn't show you washing my strawberries this week, and I didn't go to BJ's, so usually I do go to BJ's and I get more fruit there because I think their fruit is the best from any stores around me. So I'm just showing you putting everything away, cleaning out the fridge. I show you a slight bit of meal prepping, just kind of what I'm going to have for my lunches for the next week or two. And let me know if you like this kind of video. Like I said before, I didn't show washing my strawberries, but this is me just cutting up my strawberries for my daughter's lunch. Usually I have 5 containers, but I don't know, I guess this week she dipped into them and I only had enough for 2. So I guess I'm gonna have to get strawberries in the middle of the week. Does anybody else get grossed out touching chicken, or is it just me? Usually I ask my boyfriend to do it, but he was doing yard work on this day. Comment below if you hate touching chicken too. With these marinades, it does say to marinate them for 30 minutes. I marinated a piece of the chicken for 30 minutes and then I took it out and I grilled it. And I feel like the marinade wasn't as, I don't know, it didn't taste like it to me. And when I made this before, I kind of marinated it for like 12 hours. And I think it was much better being marinated longer. So if you try this, I would say marinate it for longer than 30 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a comment below. And please subscribe. I'm really trying to grow this channel and get to 1,000 subscribers. So please, please, please subscribe. Thank you so much.